Hello everyone, welcome to another guest internet video. Today I'm going to answer a question that many of you have been asking. It's a question about mobile money to pay for the Wi-Fi service. Let me explain. We manufacture and sell a lot of the guest internet products, guest internet kits that people use to share and sell Wi-Fi with the community. And so they want to charge people in that community for the use of the internet so they can pay the internet service provider. This is an equipment, for example, that comes with the Star 8 kit. Now, this is a wireless equipment, and we connect to the wireless equipment with our mobile phone, or else we can have a kit in our home to connect to the central antenna. Now, when we connect and we want to pay for the service, we have two options. One is to have a voucher system where the guest internet product can print vouchers like this, and the vouchers can be sold to the people in the community, and each voucher has a unique access code. The vouchers can also be printed like this if the person providing the internet service wants to have something very attractive. The alternative is to pay with mobile money. Now, mobile money is a system available throughout Africa and one or two other places in the world. The mobile operator has a credit account, so we can put money onto our mobile phone, and then we have credit that we can use to pay for any type of service or product. And so with the guest internet products, we can pay for the Wi-Fi service, the Wi-Fi internet service, with mobile money. Now, the important thing is that if we want to pay for the Wi-Fi service with mobile money using our phone, we need a phone that's charged with money. However, the phone does not need to be connected to the mobile network, the 4G mobile network. All it needs is a connection to the Wi-Fi network, and through the Wi-Fi network we're able to accept the payment for the mobile money, connect the person to the internet, and then the person stays connected to the internet for the duration of the purchase that was made using mobile money. Now, we have a lot of information available on this, so if you are interested in learning how to provide an internet service for a community and charging for the service with mobile money, please contact us. We'd be delighted to send you a lot more information. The products are easy to use. There's a fee to set the mobile money service, but you will find that it's a very hands-off system. People can pay. There's no need to help people to connect. It's very straightforward. So please contact us and we'd be delighted to help you. And thanks for watching.